Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change language on InHP IO. And to do this, let's click on the start, then open the settings, find time and language. Right here select language and you can change Windows display language right here, but there's only a few available, and to add more you will need to click on this add plus button. Here find your preferred language, then when it's added it should be visible in the list right here, so select it. Next thing to do, if languages still don't change, you might need to go for administrative language settings and right here change system locale and pick your preferred language, then click on OK and it will change, but before that you will also need to restart your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.